Hi, this is Mike back with another video, and this time we're going to talk about your loft ideas. You've decided to move ahead with a loft conversion, but now you need to sit down and plan it out, give it a bit of thought. Um, what are you looking to achieve from your loft conversion? You know, is it for yourself, your children, maybe an elderly relative? All these points need to be taken on board, and a plan of design worked out from there. And this design really is better sorted out in conjunction with either an architect or builder, if you've decided to go with a builder, which we'll talk about these points a little bit further down the line. But you also may have decided to go with a loft conversion specialist. Either way, you need to sit down and consider what you want to achieve. So over the next few videos, we'll discuss some of the finer points involved in finalising your loft conversion ideas. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. It's Mike from ukloftconversions.com. Bye for now.